So this is the classic game Mind Catcher. And this is a pretty fun game and an interesting game. It involves having to open, select and click on boxes which tell you how many mines are surrounding a particular box, right? And based on the numbers, you got to try to flag the mines, and you're going to try to. So if you right click on any one of these blocks, you get to flag the mine, and the mine count goes on decreasing. Your goal objective is to flag all the mines without having clicked on any mine. So when you see a number 2, it means that out of the 8 boxes that surround this 2, at least 2 of them, or exactly 2 of them, are mines. Now this program involves tkinter and also uses the PIL library for displaying images. It's a fun game, involves deploying a grid of buttons, and there's also a timer involved, and it also involves different aspects of tkinter like frames. And this program can be completed in about 8 hours of coding, which you could spread across multiple days. It's an incremental process where you got to start off with a very simple grid, and if you can build this, then you can easily make it programmable such that you can extend it to any complexity.